Hi everyone, we're gonna start our session how you can build a customized package on DMCQuote.com. Our first will be we will need to choose the destination either from Singapore, either from Malaysia. Second will be the date of travel. Then we can choose the duration. Duration it's up to you, like whatever your client want, like they want 3 nights, 4 nights, it's up to you. You can decide. Then you can choose the hotel ratings, number of travelers. Currently, we support only maximum 5 rooms. And last is nationality. Then you can choose hotels, tours, transfers, as well as restaurants. Now we will click on build package. Now you will see we will have quite multiple options for hotels. We can choose like Novotel on Kitchener. Once you click on view option, it will fetch all the rooms with breakfast, without breakfast, refundable, non-refundable, double, twin, king. Okay, we will go ahead with the bed and breakfast option. And now you can see superior room with one king bed. We will click on here, select. Okay, now you can see our cart has already added Novotel Singapore Kitchener. Okay, we will go on tours now. We can choose multiple types of tours, like we can choose city tour. Now you can see city tour is on private as well and also on SIC. So currently we're gonna choose the SIC option. We can choose the date as well. Now we'll click on add to package. Now you will see our package summary. The city tour has been added. Okay, then we will go to Universal Studios. We can choose SIC and private as well. Now this one we will choose for private, and then we will add to package. Then we can choose night safari. Okay guys, one more option I gonna highlight here. There is a optional add-on. You will see in quite number of attractions, like we have the courtyard dinner, which is formerly known as Ulu Ulu. Okay, we will click on add to package. Then you will see the option here, night safari admission with tram ride and along with the courtyard dinner. Okay, then last we're gonna add on the transfers. Okay, we have option arrival, departure, SIC and private. Some of we have point to point as well. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna choose arrival. Then you can choose the meet and greet option if you want to choose. Okay, then we're gonna choose the departure. Then now you see the arrival and departure has been added into the summary already. Okay, you can choose your own markup, how much markup you want to put here, you want to send to clients. Okay, then we will click on the proceed booking. It will generate whole booking summary, whatever we have added, like hotels, we have added city tours, universal. Then you have see the courtyard dinner also we have add on to the cart. Then we have the transportation, which is Changi airport to hotel and hotel to Changi airport. Okay, then now you see we have the option, either you can pay now full amount. If hotel is refundable, then the option here will be the hold. Okay, and now you can go on to the split, as the hotel is non-refundable. So what you have to do is now you have to pay for hotel now, and land part you can pay by 18th of February.